The motherboard is the central circuit board of your computer. It's the foundation upon which all other components are built. Think of it as the nervous system of your PC, connecting and allowing communication between everything. Without a motherboard, your components would just be a pile of expensive, useless hardware. It's the crucial link that brings everything to life. The motherboard dictates what components are compatible with your system. Choosing the right one is essential for a smooth-running and powerful computer. Every piece of hardware, from the CPU to the graphics card, interacts with the motherboard. It facilitates the flow of data, power, and instructions between these components. Its design and features significantly impact the overall performance and capabilities of your system. A high-quality motherboard can unlock the full potential of your other components. Conversely, a poorly chosen board can bottleneck performance. The motherboard not only connects components but also provides the necessary power and control signals. This allows the components to communicate effectively and work in harmony. It manages data flow, ensures stability, and provides a platform for future upgrades. Understanding the various components of a motherboard can help you make informed decisions when building or upgrading your PC. Choosing the right motherboard is a crucial step in building a computer. It's the foundation upon which your entire system is built, so it needs to be reliable and capable. The motherboard's features and compatibility will dictate what other components you can use and how well they perform. Investing time in researching motherboards will pay off in the long run. The CPU socket is the physical connector that houses the central processing unit, or CPU. The CPU is the brain of your computer, responsible for executing instructions. The socket type determines which CPUs are compatible with your motherboard. Choosing the right socket is essential for ensuring you can use the CPU you want. Different sockets support different CPU generations and features. The chipset is a set of integrated circuits that control the flow of data between the CPU, memory, and other peripherals. It acts as a traffic controller, managing communication and ensuring smooth operation. The chipset plays a vital role in system performance and stability. It also determines which features and expansion options are available on the motherboard. The chipset works in conjunction with the CPU to manage data flow and resource allocation. It dictates the types of memory and storage devices supported, as well as the number and type of expansion slots. A robust chipset is crucial for a stable and high-performing system. It ensures that all components can communicate efficiently. The CPU socket and chipset are fundamental components of the motherboard. They determine the core capabilities of your system. Understanding their roles is key to selecting a motherboard that meets your needs. Matching the right CPU with the appropriate motherboard and chipset is crucial for optimal performance. RAM slots are where you install your system's random access memory, or RAM. RAM is like short-term memory, holding data that the CPU needs to access quickly. The amount and speed of RAM significantly impact system responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. More RAM allows you to run more programs simultaneously without slowdowns. Storage connectors, including SATA and M.2, connect hard drives and solid-state drives, or SSDs. These devices store your operating system applications and files. SATA is an older standard, while M.2 offers significantly faster data transfer speeds. Choosing the right storage solution depends on your budget and performance requirements. RAM speed and capacity are crucial factors in overall system performance. Faster RAM allows for quicker data access, improving application responsiveness. Having sufficient RAM prevents your system from slowing down when running multiple programs. Upgrading RAM is often an easy and affordable way to boost performance. Modern motherboards typically support both SATA and M.2 storage devices. M.2 SSDs offer significantly faster read and write speeds compared to traditional SATA drives. This translates to faster boot times, quicker application loading, and improved overall system responsiveness. Investing in a fast SSD can drastically improve your computing experience. Section 4. Expansion and connectivity, reaching out. PCIe slots are used for expansion cards like graphics cards, sound cards, and network adapters. They provide a high-speed connection for these devices to communicate with the CPU and other components. The number and type of PCIe slots determine what expansion options are available. USB ports allow you to connect peripherals such as keyboards, mice, printers, and external storage devices. Modern motherboards offer a variety of USB ports, including USB 3.0, USB 3.1, and USB-C, each with varying data transfer speeds. Having enough USB ports is essential for connecting all your devices. The number and type of PCIe slots determine the expandability of your system. If you plan on adding multiple expansion cards, such as a high-end graphics card and a capture card, you'll need a motherboard with sufficient PCIe slots. Different PCIe generations offer different bandwidths, impacting the performance of connected devices. USB ports are essential for connecting a wide range of peripherals. Modern motherboards offer various USB standards, each with different data transfer speeds. USB-C is the latest standard, offering high speeds and reversible connectivity. Having enough USB ports and the right types is crucial for a convenient and versatile setup. Section 5. Power and stability, keeping it running. The VRM, or voltage regulator module, is responsible for delivering clean and stable power to the CPU. A high-quality VRM is crucial for overclocking and ensuring stable system operation under heavy load. It ensures that the CPU receives the correct voltage, preventing instability and potential damage. Power connectors supply power to the motherboard and its components. The 24-pin ATX power connector is the main power source for the motherboard. Additional connectors, such as the 8-pin EPS connector, provide power to the CPU. Ensuring adequate power delivery is essential for system stability. The BIOS or UEFI chip stores the firmware that initializes the hardware during boot up. It allows you to configure various system settings, including boot order and fan speeds. The BIOS or UEFI is essential for controlling and managing your system's hardware. Keeping the BIOS or UEFI updated can improve compatibility and performance. Fan connectors allow you to connect case fans to control system cooling. Proper cooling is essential for maintaining component temperatures within safe operating limits. The number of fan connectors determines how many fans you can directly control through the motherboard. This is important for managing system noise and airflow. Section 6. Choosing the right motherboard. A critical decision. Choosing the right motherboard is a critical step in building a PC. It is the foundation of your system and impacts performance, stability, and future upgradability. Consider your budget, desired features, and compatibility with other components when making your selection. Researching different motherboards is crucial for making an informed decision. The motherboard you choose will dictate which CPUs, RAM, and expansion cards you can use. Ensure that the motherboard supports the components you want to install. Consider future upgrades as well, choosing a motherboard with sufficient expansion slots and connectivity options for your future needs. The form factor of the motherboard is also important. ATX is the most common form factor, but there are also smaller form factors like Micro ATX and Mini ITX for smaller PC builds. Choose a form factor that fits your case and desired system size. Investing time in researching and selecting the right motherboard will pay off in the long run. A well-chosen motherboard will provide a stable and reliable platform for your system, enabling optimal performance and future expandability. Don't underestimate the importance of this crucial component.